Ebusia for me mamo akwaba sonko eba too much GH munya pa mo for nana ama owusua eni na dano eye enkombo abeto dwa eboye maimo edika no eno na me to dwa wa ha se na mo ahwefo na ebiem so etie for mu betimi ehu de eko ewo oman emu yes, latest news abeto dwa reports abeto dwa ewo menim ha HSA was so full back wa Honorable Kennedy Japan the show expose award asofo FM no ye boni din atese no won se me kan ye ensempi atese ye kan ko si se bobubu egudam atese wo ye no ho hwea enye ye sign ne ma boni a wo ye wosuma se ehun consequence no na aba ne so atese achi no ahye dem ama na ye bedridden now so for me kan ho asem Pastor Prophet Ebruka and the Diankasa Prophet Chris Asante I beams no saje emrana supreme one no so say anything nebusia for obekaya a brother si show sha say ye ka bishop dan will be ni mo nsem no demon breaker ebebo ni din ewo mu ka say Prophet 1 the work kumase no na danfo pa eno no ama Prophet 1 ba bonti ebe deny ye say enye no kresa no wonim ebruka ewo bebia ebiem so no manase eba the street show so as guest no wono to be share nsem mu ekenya say o provide pictures show you say ampa Prophet 1 ene so for ebruka ebiem so ye supreme one no woni kumase Prophet 1 no ewo tesengita odi omo ye na for part say pictures no che say womuka pa na oba unpo enti enantokwa eba omuntima tese womuntem etete ya tese intempi no utumi se nsem omuka no omuka ya ko si se wono ankasa mu ne ba wa wo no na simu ba no wekunu for wono ankasa na sorry any ne personal gain na so for ye kan nsem na ye kire mu se woda dem abobubu esa ne pon na wa ye nti na tese gofo enti ne nka na bibisa se wo enti won he na se ni se wedie wono ankasa mu afei no waba pontin wabeche mu se wodan na so still na oye prophet so na oye ne prophet a woye ebiem so say supreme one na abruku ebuka on ending on timi enwuda obi enu obetimi eyi ne fio na still na ogina opinti manyami eduma no won fa na eduma ento ho eda ema obi bia na video wode ba ponti a wode ka ensem ya tese wutumu se ne supporters a wo maka no weta no wehia tese wo bo ne se no ebusafo yenko esa video no emba ye ba ye de to aso no ebe mamu
Ala spinning amubua Supreme life. Mesaro kana for life physical. Mesaro kana supreme life. Mesaro kana for life. Mesaro for. Oh yeah.
Yeah, it's serious.
I'm for so but catch it out.
I'm catch it all. Crofia, I come who graduated me.
Ah,
listen, I think some.
Oh, much the dog.
nebusia for video no enamoni ebo so san what mean say wo jina nya so ampa won nai wo mubu ye on koto ho tese on koto ho ye on tina wo chemu on man kasa na jina tese what mean say wa pose pa tese wa dress ya wo srese won ne say eda so sa nebusia for enye no koto ni Facebook page so wonu ani Facebook page no or the message be akoto out mean say afei ena wo address issues and some ye dey aba abontin afa ne hom eni eye nejuma wo di se osofo na say ena wo troto eye ni Facebook page one was say let all my enemies be ashamed and so vexed, let them return and be ashamed suddenly. Yes, Psalm 6 verse 10. And on the message that was show on the Facebook timeline no on them for mobile kaya and some about a fan of no picture say well fake miracles I was sorry them all if you was so for big club a son will not sorry them out to me will be a high will be known I couldn't sing kunyaka and some I won't be to say action to say acting be style be no palm part on Messi I sorry every not to say action not to say a man for Ginny D not for Ginny to knock for to say a bonus or your prophet to before ampa ebiom so manase ya ka se woton eye solution water e waso dem enyama so a ense fata m1 nipa enipedua a wode ya kwankire e waso dem woton edigi sika edigu nkoto komte no tere se wo ye fake prophet na the third day aba ponti utumu se oba kire Ghana for se na nkofo ekeka se na news circulate about him no de won tie wate krampa won fanye asem na wono de se Yakobon na afreni nti wo be koso agina Yakobon ne kwaredie mu aye adwuma no se na adwuma ne efre no esitie wo mo obi ensem okeka fa no ho eye rumors are spreading of one day omo ye efa no ho no international the se ne interest e wonyame adwuma mu to da so agina na so a wo be no ho modern afa krampa no adwuma no wo be hye mu Kenya aye ndendende eche nkane no na ebusa for all kind say so na nkofo so e de wo madwen interest so e title to na mo dwen efa coming back now what they abetu dwano na it was for yango hear some of the comments now apa and go for ajeja efa ne coming back award they to just say wo back no yanko hwe we efi akwesi asaro say the Lord is with you sir. Prophetic Elisha Owusu say Supreme One is alive and will never die because his assignment has not even started. More grace, Supreme, my brother. Walk as Saint John so eldia what they about say haters are worried. We so efi akwesi akwesi enim ono so dia odepa say because he will not heed to your apology. Don't allow Ken to hear this from you. Ono so actually na do say obi e mepa na cho enti no wo be kasa say ya ene wo mre no wanse pa na eja e ho na bo Ken Japan onfa eye ne form so enche no bright Chirema eto dia wode about say you will pay these weed smokers to come and praise you. Ha ha ha. Those praising you in the video are Muslims. Fake guy. Forget it. It's too late. On who ni say eye sofo ebruka wa ma bontentem the see asem na takoda wa ba bonte asako high eye nkofo abeja ni nche motor riders a mo gbo no se no enkodu bebi bia ntebe ya won twa so kra na e too late say ode be ba bonte abe defend ne home Prince bless more eso dia wode aba ebisafo yankin kan eno so I say jokers only people who don't think will attend your church ohuni say nkofo na wo mu bo na say amuboje no so nia no wo mu nkofo a wo mu petesa agro wo mu ni so part say wo mu de hwe inform ho wo mu person no betimi aba eye osofo ebruka na sorry igba Jimmy there what they about say yes my brother you will forever live and declare the works of Jehovah osofo Asante God will never disgrace you. Onu say say na eye ebuka we nya hoden a wasa Kenya ne ho ba ponto no ebeboa pa na Yakobon so ti ase nko ade wo ma nim engu aseda na ebusafo me the comments no esi ayere bibi wa ha say osofo yaba wo sofo nketu ankofo mu ni momo bembe ya mo ba ponte abekinkan se ma fa ho allegations say dey atu dade afa ho abi tese ebi ye just pictures mu cry ya edit pictures evidence aba ebi so nse mo kan say wo ba we kun just na wo ba out address what they about or they ba out say how they ba out ebi so for and am kwan so ana say uhunu ewo kwan foforo ebi eso ni niemu no owo hu kwan se obetimi a comment efa ensem we ewo Tuma GH your comment section na ebiem so obetimi a share video we edem adofo no wo so metimi ahwe bi no mo comment no so wo meja to ehonom no na busafo kai sef Tuma GH your Instagram wetima follow ewo honom at Tuma GH _ within the na ama owusu aha ena mede eye ensem no ebesi that's the name yebesan ehwebim makramu.